Everyone, it's Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. That makes you a bunny. That makes us Kendra and the Bunnies. Today we have something really cool. We have a memento to commemorate my first completely pop album and my newest album that came out about a month ago. It's titled Of Marigolds and Lightning Bugs, and you can listen to it on all streaming platforms. It's inspired by traveling and being independent and being, a musician, doing it as you do on the road. And it's heavily inspired by my time spent driving to and from San Francisco to record at Hyde Street Studios in San Francisco. This comes from a photo for the photo shoot that I did for the album cover, and for promotional material for the album in front of the Golden Gate Bridge. And I think that's really spectacular because for me it was really like a crystallizing moment, and to have it be look, I mean, oh, my fingerprints are all over it now. So I'm gonna put this front and center on my altar. And these are customizable. I linked below where I got mine. And it even looks cool from the back.